Hello, my name is Larisa Kryachkova. I am the Chief Human Rights Officer at Slave Free Trade, a Swiss NGO aiming to bring consumers and businesses together to overturn modern slavery and to build a global economy founded on goods and services that have harmed nobody in their making. I'm very happy to be delivering a workshop at the upcoming PPS conference in Barcelona. I will be sharing my own research and real case studies on the topics of B2B pricing and its best practices in today's world. Together, we will review which value drivers could improve your performance. Additionally, I will present the results of the pricing survey of 107 B2B companies in the UK in 2021 to gain further insights during a complex yet rewarding pricing journey in a firm. We will discuss the legal and ethical limitations to pricing practices as well. Finally, I will offer you a case study how you can handle pricing data, pricing processes, and project management during your pricing digital journey of AI, ML, and such. Come, join me, and I hope to see you there.